Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable startup applications on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So how do you do that? Just simply right click on the Windows icon here and you will see the option that says Task Manager. If you do a Control Alt Delete as well, you will realize that you have the option that says Task Manager as well. And another trick, if you right click anywhere on the taskbar here, you will have the Task Manager. So you want to click on that, guys. Now once you're inside Task Manager, guys, you will find the option that says Startup Apps. So you want to click on that. Here, let me go ahead and maximize this so that you can see it properly. Here you can see the name of all of those applications which are currently starting up. You have the publisher here. Some of them will be filled while some not a problem. While the important thing to see here is the status. So you can see all of those applications that currently have status. You can see the startup impact. So if you have some application that have a high impact on your computer at startup, you want to ensure that you don't have that, because that can slow up your computer. Now I'm going to show you two of them that I don't want, right? So here, as you can see, I have WhatsApp startup because it's enabled. Now I don't have to have WhatsApp startup on my computer, right? So I'm going to simply right click on that and click on disable. Now as you can see, the startup impact is not measured, but that's okay. If I don't want the application, I can simply disable it regardless. Now, what about applications that I might be using and didn't know that the impact was high? Have a look at Grammarly. I use Grammarly, but it's also a high impact on my computer. As you can see, it has a high impact at startup. So this is something that I could consider disabled. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply right click and disable that, because I really didn't know that the impact was high, and I just realized I don't necessarily even have to have Grammarly run at startup. So these are the things that will help you to think about if you want to have an application run at startup. One, if you really want that application, then you can have it. If you don't want it, then go ahead and disable it. Or if it's an application that you use, but you realize the impact, the startup impact is high, then you might want to consider disable that application if it's really not necessary to have it start up. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.